Thanks for joining the OneScreen channel. Today, we're going to discuss the OneScreen Hubware solution. All-in-one, easy to use, ultra compatible. So starting with the screen itself, we actually offer 4K resolution, 20 points of touch, heavy-duty thick anti-glare glass surface, and all of our screens include the original LG IPS LED panel. Additionally, you'll notice we have a pan-tilt zoom camera and we have an onboard computer that boasts an Intel i7 processor, 7th generation, and includes Windows 10 Pro, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of solid-state drive. Now, going back into the screen, we have a very easy way to get to our home screen. By clicking up my finger and clicking on the home screen, this actually gives me an area where I can access my inputs, and we also have the area for our Android 6 operating system. This happens to include built-in YouTube, Chrome, full-fledged Google Play Store, and one of our perpetual licenses of eShare, which allows for a lot of screen sharing and mirroring. Now, as you can see, I can easily traverse right back to our OneScreen, directly into our Windows application. Now we're going to jump into our OneScreen Annotate software. This is where you're going to have the ability to annotate over any document that you want to. It could be a PowerPoint like I'm annotating on right now. It could be an Excel sheet, a Word document, a YouTube video. It doesn't matter what it is. Anything that's on your computer, you then have the ability to annotate on top of. This makes it so that you can enhance any presentation. As you can see, there's all kinds of colors. There's even different kinds of pins, including highlighters. Now I can transition right into a whiteboarding screen. And again, this is a great place to use a whiteboarding application. Now, I can also use this annotation tool. This is just a dummy stylus pen, so there's no batteries, but it gives me a great utensil to use directly on the screen. A couple of other nice feature sets that I can take advantage of is the scrolling whiteboard. I can actually create a lot more space for myself, and there's an application here where I can use a text pen. So if I were to happen to write the name OneScreen, it'll pop into text automatically. There's an intelligent pin, so if I want to do any kind of flow charting or enhancement of presentation, it makes the shapes a nice clean shape. If you happen to make a mistake or it doesn't show up correctly, I can just put an X on it, it erases for you nice and simple, and right back to my square. Everything that you create here, these are all movable items, not to mention you can manipulate their size and their shape. Additionally, you have an area where you can actually do a Google image search. So as an example, if I type in the word OneScreen, which I did, it's going to come up with any imagery on Google Images that I can now bring in right onto the screen. So just by grabbing and dragging and dropping, I have some phenomenal applications to bring in some additional imagery to bolster my presentation. So you can also see how easy it is to manipulate the size of these guys, move them around. I can erase from them, I can draw on top of them. Now, everything that you do is going to be able to be saved and then sent as a PDF. You can email them, you can archive them on the network, or you can even save within the software itself and have the ability to go back and edit it in the future. Now we're going to leave our OneScreen Annotate software and head directly into our OneScreen Hype video conferencing platform. This is cloud-based and you can communicate with up to 50 other participants. These people can be on smartphones, tablets, Chromebooks, laptops, or desktops. As long as you have a camera and a microphone speaker, you'll be able to join in on the call. Now, you have a very easy layout here, nice and simplistic. And if I want to go ahead and start up a call, I can click on my start and engage right away in a video call. So now I'm on a 3-point call. This makes it real easy here to manage everything. You have a nice, easy control strip up here. I have the ability to transcribe the meeting. I also have the ability to share my screen. Now, not only can I share my whole desktop, I also have the ability to share just a particular application. Now, the other nice part here is if I click on this again, I now can pass control to either Antonio or Z if I wanted to, just by clicking on their name and giving them full control. This allows them to take control of my computer for a collaborative session during your video call. There's an ability to host multiple cameras. I also have real-time polling, and I have the ability to do a whiteboard session. Lastly, up here, we have the ability to not only invite new participants into the call, but I can also even make a call out. This is specific to OneScreen Hype. No other platform offers it. So the ability to call someone's cell phone or regular landline directly from a video call is a fantastic feature set. And down here, you also have the ability to record your video sessions as well as mute any of your microphones, speakers, or cameras. OneScreen Hubware ships with a robust software package, including video and audio conferencing, interactive whiteboarding, screen sharing and controlling, annotating, polling, recording, saving, etc. It's all right here. And ideally, Hubware is for boardrooms, large conference rooms, and lecture halls. Hubware is the highest quality interactive video collaboration hub we know of. Thanks again for joining us. And as always, all of our OneScreen solutions include free, unlimited, on-demand Screen Skills Guru support and training via audio, video, chat, email, or phone.